So I just got a call from a friend of mine that he was out in his little Toyota pickup and he was out playing in the mud or something and it stopped working. He lost his clutch or it doesn't run. I don't remember exactly what he told me. So I'm headed out there right now. I'm in the rollback instead of one of the Land Cruisers because it's a dead truck. It shouldn't be too big of a deal. This is 4-wheel drive. If I get stuck in the mud, I can always call my mom. Hey, Ma! She can pull me out in her Montero. But I think I'll be able to drive right to him on a road, and we're gonna see how it goes. I see him down there. What's up, man?
Oh, you know, really enjoying the experience.
I didn't enjoy the experience getting this thing out there. That's facing to you, to your shoulder, by the way.
That's hot. That's a good clip.
No.
There is technically that's a road right there as well. It comes up and around.
I'm not worried about this. I could go down. I'm worried about turning around.
Well, yeah, because it's just tight.
And I'll just stop right here and we'll just run a cable down to it.
All right.
Might need 4-wheel drive now.
Wow, that really makes a zero difference.
You want to grab those hooks? And I'll just start backing down the hill until they reach.
Yeah, I guess. All right, Caleb.
That?
If you hadn't already pulled it all the way out, you could just backed up to this point.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But whatever. Getting up this is gonna suck.
Well, like I said, that's a road right here. It's just covered in some plants, but it loops up around and matches back up there.
You're gonna pull on that cable.
You're gonna suck it in?
Yeah. I'm just doing around the control arms. I'll go let a little more out.
Well, it has hooks, like not this.
I won't pull it far enough on the truck.
Oh, okay. This is a very awkward position.
Go up from the bottom. Right there. Yep, got it.
Bud's gonna have fun looking through this footage.
Now go past it for a little.
Are you good?
Yeah, my flashlight's dying. And I left my brighter one at home. I'm doing the gears in my Power Stroke right now.
Oh yeah, Bud told me that they shredded or something.
Yeah. Alright, let me get to the top of this hill before you guys jump in.
What?
That crawled out of there pretty easy. I thought I was gonna have to really work at getting up that hill.
Yeah, just went right up.
I don't love the off-camber part of this. Hopefully it doesn't get worse. This doesn't look fun.
Should I turn this off?
No, keep it on for this part.
You can see. Kind of.
It's stuff like that I want to see on the video, but you can't really see it, can you?
Yeah, you can. Damn, it's showing. You gotta wait till it gets pretty close, but
I wonder if that helps.
it does.
Having a little extra light.
Yeah, so you can see a little bit further, but the camera looks to be seen about a third as far as us.
And does this road go right out?
Yeah, it goes right into the neighborhood, just down to the main road. It used to be, last time I was on.
twist if we get down there and there's like a gate.
Yeah, that would be super cancerous.
Okay, so we're here to drop it off. We're gonna drop it off at the customer's backyard and he's gonna fix it later. Here, Dad, let me just put it down. Okay, you wanna let it roll back just a hair?
Okay.
Okay, now brakes on. Yeah, it's sliding. Unhooked. All right, another customer help. Thanks for watching.